Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Catapult Half Nelson version 2. So there's more than one way to do a Catapult Half Nelson, and this is the one we didn't do last time. So it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Obviously, knowing how to do a catapult and a half Nelson experience would be really useful before you learn this, but assuming you've got that or you've done the other version, this is going to be nice and easy. So it goes right to right, standard catapult to begin. We go back, we go sweep, we go lean. Okay, as we walk the lady forwards, guys duck, we're folding the arm up behind the back. If you have flexible shoulders and good movement in your arm, you're going to be able to keep hold of the hand. Otherwise you could place the lady's hand on your back as you duck and go underneath, but you're going to need to recollect the hand one way or another, because as you come up you're going to head back out and off of the left this time, so you're in a proper full catapult position, and then it's just finished as a normal catapult. In on the left, spin and catch, return and back. So let's talk numbers. We go back 1, sweep 2, lean single-handed 3, we go round underneath 4, coming up into a catapult 5, in on the left 6, spinning 7, catching 8, return 1 and back 2. Let's do it. Here we go. 5, 6, a catapult half Nelson V2, back, sweep, lean, under, up, side, spin, catch, return and back, and that is that. I hope you are enjoying what we're doing. If you are, then please do like the videos. Subscribing is awesome too, and if you click the little notification bell you will know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end in one of those little windows that comes up in the last few seconds of the video, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.